Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Netflix channel not working, freezes, stops responding, or gets stuck loading, but device isn't frozen on Roku device. Before we start, you need to make sure that your router and Roku device are located near each other. If possible, put them in the same room. Keep your router in an open space off the floor. Routers get better reception when on a desk or bookshelf. After making sure of those, let's start with the first method, restart the Roku device. Just go to Settings. Scroll down and select System. Scroll down and select Power. Select System Restart. After the restart is complete, if the Netflix channel still not working, then unplug the power cord and wait about 2 minutes and then plug it in again. Method 2. Update system software in Netflix channel. Go to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Select Check Now. If there is new software available or there are updates for your channels, then your Roku device will download and install them automatically, and once completed, your Roku device will reboot. Next, press the Home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the Roku home screen. Highlight the Netflix app and press the star key on the remote. Now, select Check for updates and then follow the on-screen instructions if there is an update available. Method 3. Reset network connection. Go to Settings. Scroll down and select System. Select Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset. Select Reset Connection. In case Netflix still not working, then clear router cache. To do this, please refer to the video linked in the description. Method 4. Remove and re-add Netflix channel. Press the Home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the Roku home screen. Highlight the Netflix app and press the star key on the remote. Select Remove Channel. Select Remove Channel again to confirm. From the home screen, select Streaming Channels. Select Movies and TV. Select Netflix. Select Add Channel. After that, open Netflix channel. Sign in to your account and try Netflix again. Method 5. Factory reset your devices. Restore your Roku device to factory settings first. Just go to Settings. Scroll down and select System. Select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. It will ask for your Roku's PIN. Enter it and select the OK button. Then, select the Start Factory Reset option. Once done, add Netflix channel and try Netflix again. In case Netflix channel still not working, then factory reset router. To do this, make sure your router is plugged in. Find the reset button, usually inside a tiny hole on the back. Insert a paperclip into the hole to hold down the button for 30 seconds. Release the button, and wait for your router to power back on. This should reset all your router settings to what they were when it first came out of the box. That's it guys, hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.